This is how I commute on my Brompton in Singapore. The Brompton turns commuting into an experience. Compact and stylish, it's perfect for Singapore's urban flow, folding easily for MRT rides and tucking under desks at work. Pit stops at Charm. A quick coffee at Tiong Bahru or a riverside café elevates the journey, blending cycling with Singapore's café culture. The Park Connector Network (PCN) is a dream. From the breezy East Coast Park to scenic riverside routes, cycling feels more like a mini escape than a commute. Rain or shine, the ride goes on. With the right gear, even Singapore's unpredictable weather is no match for a determined Brompton rider. It's more than a bike, it's a lifestyle. The Brompton community, weekend rides, and city-friendly design make commuting efficient, eco-friendly, and undeniably enjoyable.